How to deposit check on Wells Fargo. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's get right into this tutorial. To deposit your check using your Wells Fargo mobile application, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is tap open your Wells Fargo mobile banking app. Make sure that it is up to date. Firstly, sign in into your account. In order to do so, just enter your username and your password and select on the sign on button. You can tap on Save Username to save some hassle in the next login. Once you are logged in into your Wells Fargo mobile banking app, you will find an interface like this. Right at the bottom, you will find the option called Deposit. If not, select on Pay and Transfer, then select on Deposit Check option given to you. To deposit a check, you need to enter certain information. Starting off, you need to select an account where you want to deposit the check to. Next, enter the amount of money that you want to deposit using your check. Then, you need to take photos of both front and the back of your check of your Wells Fargo. Once you have done all of this process, review the details of it. Then, select on the Confirm button to deposit your check on your Wells Fargo. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.